You're going to prepare your board, and then using 1-inch nail you make that circle like the one I have the inner circle that I have there. So that is at a closer look. You're going to get that one. So we'll be using this thread. These are yellow fishing twine and a light brown fishing twine. So I'll be using these two for my pattern. You can use any color of your choice. So I've tied my threads to 2 nails. There is this top nail here and this bottom nail here. This side and this side, I have equal number of nails, meaning this is the center of my circle. So you're going to tie your thread to the top nail, one of the thread to the top nail and the other thread to the bottom nail. That is with equal number of nails on this side and this other side. That is at the center of your circle. So let's begin. For this yellow thread here, on this side, it's going to go under this thread. Sorry, it has come out. And for this thread that is on the top nail, on this side, it's going to go under. That is a secret of spiral. And this yellow side, this yellow thread on this side is going to go on top, and this brown, it's going to go on top on this side. So for this brown, on top this side, under this side. For this yellow, under this side, on top this side. So that is how they are going to interchange to get that spiral with double string. So ensure your thread is firmly knotted to avoid disappointments. So you begin here. It's supposed to come on top here, this zero. So you do that, and then it leaves to the other side like that, and you hold it with this other hand. Then take your other thread. It's supposed to go under here and come on top on this other side. So that is it, like that. Then when you're returning this one, you return it to the second nail. Okay, don't return it to your first nail, return it to the second nail, like that. And then you are now going to bring this yellow one on top of that brown one, and then you are going to take this yellow one to the second nail on this side. Then you take the brown one to the second nail, such that it's going to come on top of the yellow one, but here it's at the bottom of the yellow one. So I repeat that. So this brown one, once it has gone to the second nail here, it's going to return to the third nail here first, then the yellow nail, the yellow thread will come on top, and then the yellow thread will move to the third nail there, and you hold it. Then you bring the brown one on top. Then you take the brown one back to the fourth nail here. It goes under, and the yellow comes on top. Then the yellow goes to the fourth nail. And then the brown one comes on top. The brown one comes back to the 5th nail, and the yellow one comes to the 5th nail on top. Then the yellow one will go to the 5th nail here, and the brown one will go to the 5th nail here. Now, since you are doing a spiral, remember for a spiral, once we do 4 nails, we skip 5 nails, sorry, we skip the 6th nail. And on this side, we've already done 5 nails. So with this brown one, you are going to skip the 5th nail. Remember, the brown thread is the one that is tied on this top nail, and the yellow thread is the one that is tied on this bottom nail. To add to that, the brown thread, it is the one that is coming under on this side, okay? And the yellow thread is the one that is coming under on this side. So we are going to skip the 6th nail with the brown thread on this side, and you are going to skip the 6th nail with the yellow thread on this side. Hope that is clear. So I've skipped there, but on this side that the yellow thread is coming on top, I'm not going to skip. So here I've skipped, you can see I've skipped this nail here, but I'm not going to skip with the yellow thread, so I'm still bring the yellow thread here. So I will skip the 6th nail on this side with the brown thread, but with the yellow thread, the side that is coming on top, I will not skip. So I'll still continue to the 6th nail with the yellow thread. But on this side, since the yellow thread is coming at the bottom, so I'm going to skip the 6th nail and go to the 7th nail. But with the brown thread, I'll go to the 6th nail. I'll not skip on this side with this thread. So there it is. And the process continues like that. I'll bring the yellow thread now to the 6th nail on this side. Sorry, the 7th nail. And I'll bring the brown thread to the 8th nail. And to the 7th nail on that side. Okay, for the starting part, you'll be using both of your hands until you finish. You'll be using both of your hands, but as the spiral continues, you will find that you'll be doing one side with one hand and then you proceed to the other without using both of your hands. So you will find that as you continue, there's a distance created between the threads, and so the more you go, the far you go, the more you'll be using one hand. Like now I can just put that one down there and proceed here. Always remember to count your nails to ensure that you skip the 6th nail. So here I've reached my fifth nail. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I'm returning back, I'll skip the sixth nail and go to the seventh nail with the yellow thread. So I skip. So also on this side, I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I'm returning back, I'm going to skip the sixth nail and move to the seventh nail. But on this side, remember that the thread that is coming on top, you are not skipping any nail. So I've skipped and we proceed like that. So I'm going to proceed like this until I reach to the starting of my spiral, that is here and here, and then we'll see how it is coming out. Hope you are still here with me. You can see that my spiral has started to form, and you can now clearly see the double strings. Yeah, you can also see that I'm also now using one hand, like I had told you. I've already created the space that I had told you, the space between the threads, and now I'm doing one side. After I reach the other side, I stop one side, and then I stop that side, and then I move to the next side. So I'll be doing this, and let's see the end results. Thank you. Finally, our spiral is now finished. You can see the end result. It's a perfect art that you can try. So guys, thank you so much. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate so much. And also to like the video. Thank you.